restaurant si Don't Wanna Miss in Seoul, South Korea Part 8. Ito na siguro yung pinakamahal na samgyeopsal na nakainan ko and one of our most expensive dinners here in Korea. So ang tanong, aside sa presyo, worth it bang pilahan itong Michelin awarded restaurant na to? Ang cool at industrial and aesthetic ng mismo restaurant. Yun yung setup nila kasi sila mismo yung magluluto ng food for you. Michelin awarded si Gold Pig. You can go a la carte pero for us, yun namin set for 2 people. So for this set, it's 3,247 pesos. Kasama na tong kimchi jjigae doon. I mean, you can tell na agad sa itsura pa lang ng pig. As in, ang kapal ng pork cut. Yan ang gusto nating samgyeopsal yung makapal. Yung grill nyo, nasa harap nyo na. Ang hirap naman i-VO nito, naglalaway ako. The pork belly, ang perfect nung fat to meat ratio 70% meat, 30% fat. Kaya sobrang juicy and succulent ng pork. Kimchi jjigae, no complaints. Legit lasa ng Korean flavors ng kimchi. Tapos tinuturoan ka pa nila dito kung paano kainin. May iba't iba silang klaseng sauces and condiments for your pork. Side dishes naman are unlimited, so pwede kayo mag-request. They have premium soju here. Ang saya lang kasi parang feeling namin nasa K-drama talaga kami.